today I'm taking a break from cooking because we're going to
give you a
tour
of the Las Vegas Strip.
The most famous and busiest street in the world. So, papakita namin sa inyo. We're going to show it to you guys. Alright, and I will see you there. Stratosphere.
It's the unofficial start of the strip.
Yeah.
They don't consider it part of the strip, but it's actually the start of the strip.
Really beautiful up there.
You can see a whole lot. You can see the whole valley.
That's the tallest building here in Las Vegas.
Yes.
There is a zip line up there too. Yeah, going to the other building. And also Las Vegas is the cone capital of the world. Do you know what cone is?
What?
Cone capital.
Oh.
Construction capital.
Orange cones.
Orange cones. So Las Vegas is cones capital of the world. Construction everywhere. So yan ang hotel ng Strat. Yung nakita natin kanina na tower. Yun yung hotel nila tsaka garage.
Used to be the Stratosphere, now it's just the Strat.
World's largest gift shop. Yan. And in what building is that?
Oh, that's used to be a casino.
Okay. Official start of the strip.
Of the Las Vegas Strip.
So that's the Resort World.
Trump Tower, Las Vegas.
Ayan.
Fashion Show Mall. Right there. It's the volcano. We'll be coming down. We'll be coming down in the evening when it's erupting. And world famous Caesar's Palace.
Caesar's Palace.
World famous Flamingo.
Yeah, the Flamingo Hotel.
And casino.
And casino. And the Hell's Kitchen. Gordon Ramsay.
So, this is where the fountains will be coming down here to show you the fountains later on too. Also, that's a Lamborghini.
And Paris, MGM. Si Pacquiao dyan yung boxing sa MGM Arena.
Excalibur, the castle.
MGM owns this one too. And the Mandalay Bay.
Yeah, the Luxor.
Where the massacre was.
Oh yeah.
Have you heard about massacre?
Shooting from the Mandalay Bay.
Yeah, Mandalay Bay.
There's a Luxor, a pyramid.
The Luxor, MGM's too. It's MGM's property.
And then right up in that corner room right there is where he was shooting from. The massacre. But we're going to the famous sign.
Yeah. The famous sign of Las Vegas.
It's the first time?
Yeah, it's the first time. I've been here for almost 10 years and it's the first time. There. See them taking pictures, taking videos.
Oh, we got one right here. Handicap spot.
Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. Of people that waiting in line just to take a picture by the sign. So andito ko ngayon nakapila kasi almost 10 years na ako dito, hindi pa ako nakapunta dito, kaya picture yun ako. Dito pa rin kami guys, nakapila. Andito pa rin kami. We're still here.
Yeah, still waiting.
We're still waiting. We're next! We're next, we're next.
We're next.
Excalibur. That's the lion of MGM. That's pure bronze, solid bronze.
Yep.
That's the MGM Grand. Where you work. There it is. That's an ugly lion. That's your casino, baby.
Yeah, Casino Royale, where I used to work.
We're going to park at the Mirage parking lot.
This way. There. She always has some trouble getting on the escalator.
That's the register, Mirage register.
Didn't we see this one on one of those shows?
No.
I think we would.
Nasa Mirage pa rin kami. This one.
That over there.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, where this restaurant is now. It used to be the habitat for the white lions, white tigers for Siegfried and Roy.
This one is Diablo.
Yeah, but it used to be a habitat for the white tigers.
Restaurant.
Yeah, they used to have moving walkways here.
We're literally on the strip right now.
Yep.
Yeah,
Right in between Mirage and Caesars.
Yeah. Doon kami nag-park sa Mirage. Tapos dyan, Caesars Palace yan. Yan, katapat yan sila. And then, sa front namin, yung Harrah's. Yan, napakahangin dito. Yung hair ko para lang damo. Dahil sa hangin. Caesars Palace. Ang laki ng Caesars Palace from there. There. And that's the Flamingo.
But the Mirage has dolphins.
Yan. So, mostly building dito guys. Itong ano, mostly hotel. Ang mga buildings dito. Sa strip. Oh. You see that?
What?
That's the Hell's Kitchen.
Oh.
Of the very famous Ramsay Gordon Ramsay.
There it is. Yep, I got help. Is this the tunnel of love?
Yes, sa Bellagio. Ayan. Super ganda sa loob yan. You see guys, ayan, may escalator dito sa street. You see the escalators?
At all major intersections.
Yeah.
So you don't have to cross the street.
Uh-huh. Now there's another fountain. Ayan, sasakay kami ng escalator puntang taas. Kaya malaki yung mga tao dito kasi ano, kaya tolerate nila. Ayan, dito kami sa tulay. Dito na kami sa Bellagio.
As we walk into each different casino has its own distinctive smell. So every one, they have different smells. Each one smells different. It's always good.
Yeah. So this one smells good. This is 5-star hotel. So ito mga branded to na mga store. Van Cleef, Tiffany & Co.
Did you get the Louis Vuitton back there?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
I missed the Louis Vuitton. So there's Chanel. This is the giant takuri. Ayan, takuri.
Oh, that's a big watering can.
Yes. Butterflies. At yan yung casino. So, ito yung mga slot machines. Yan, yan.
These are the real slot machines here.
Yeah?
They're called here. They're called one-armed bandits. Even with masks on, it smells so good with all the flowers and everything.
So the conservatory changes every season and every occasion. It smells good because it's made from real flower. Dito na tayo. Yan. So, ito real to. Real flowers. Kahit yan. That one? It's made from real flowers.
Even real fish.
And real fish. There you go. So this one is real.
Huh?
This man is real.
I'm fake. I'm a robot. Daming chains, daming tira doon. It's very beautiful in here, guys. Really beautiful. Yeah.
Daisies. Also, we should watch the volcano in the mountain first. Oh my god! I think they win. They're screaming.
Yep.
Prada and Gucci. Another Louis Vuitton.
I wonder if it's connected.
I don't know.
It looks like it is.
Oh, your favorite door. Your favorite door.
Yeah, the one that stops on me. And I run into it.
That's Gopi. Ito yung Las Vegas sa gabi. Ayan, it's really beautiful. Nakikita daw sa kalawakan dahil sa light. Oh, ayan si Gopi tsaka si Mickey Mouse. So, bayaran ng $1 pag may nagpa-picture. Ayan. Babayad ng $1. Ito yung very famous na fountain dito sa Bellagio. Ayan, ganito. Ganito ang Las Vegas because this is City of Lights. Where's that girl?
Do I need to take him in? Is he being good? Is he being take care of him for you?
Sure. Thank you, girls.
Thank you.
Nag-umpisa na yung fountain, guys. That's the Paris, the Planet Hollywood. And that's the Eiffel Tower. Pagod na kami, guys. We're very tired now. Tingnan mo yung lights ng Flamingo. Look at the lights. Alright guys, I think that's it for now. We're so tired. We're gonna go home.
Yeah. We'll do the volcano. We'll show you the volcano later on the next video.
Because we're going to take the high roller.
Yeah.
So we're going to shoot it. Alright guys.
Okay.
I hope you enjoy watching it. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.